Enrolling students in the e-mentoring course. There are two ways to enroll students into the e-mentoring course. One is by using a class list, and the second is by adding 1 to 5 students at a time. Each of the methods is explained in the teacher's guide. I'm going to show you how to enroll 1 to 2 students at a time. Click on Manage. Here you will see your tools: Announcements, Enrollment, Gradebook, the Student Tools, and Tests and Surveys. To the right of Enrollment, you will see Export Course List, Import Course List, and Create Course List. We are going to click on Create Course List. Here, you can enter up to 5 students by entering their first name, last name, and email address. Occasionally, students with the same last name and first initial will have already been enrolled in another course. In that case, you will see an error message. If that happens, change the login to reflect the student's name with a letter or with an extra letter or an extra number behind it. Your students must all have emails to be enrolled in the curriculum. If your student does not have an email, you can make one up to enroll them. After you've typed in the student's first name, last name, and email address, click on Add to Course List. If each student's status comes up as OK, you will see their first name, last name, email, and their login name, which is their first initial _ last name. If the status is OK for all of your students, click Add to Enrollment List. If the student has a similar login name and you must change it, remember to alert the student to their unique username and password. Your students will log in the same way you have. However, different status tools will have been automatically enabled for your courses by the program instructor. If you are done enrolling students, click on Done. If you need to enroll more students, click on Add More Students. If you click on Add More Students, this will bring you back to the same page we were before. Here you can enter in 5 more students' first names, last names, and emails. If you have successfully enrolled your students, you will get this message. Here you can see the students who are currently enrolled in your class. If you need to remove a student, click on the box to the left of their name, click Remove. It will ask you if you're sure that you want to permanently remove this student. If you do not, click No. If you do, click Yes. If you want a full list of all the students enrolled in your classroom, go back to your Manage tab and click on Enrollment. Here, you can go back to see what all of your students' login name are. The login and password should be the same. That concludes enrolling students in the e-mentoring course.